Okay, now let's move on to the problems based on these. Student, just notice after the definitions, after we discuss the types of functions in the EPL, there are worked examples. So I named it as illustrations. Now these things are to understand the meaning, basic problems, right? As they are worked problems, okay, I will leave it to you. You please refer them. Please note down the classwork also. But when comes to NCERT, that's my job. I should explain the problems from NCERT. Clear? Okay. So let us start. Let us consider the problems from the NCERT. Under that, the first problem. In the first problem, there is a school, and in that school there are 50 students. Fine. So on this they are defining a function f from a to n. A is this set of all 50 students. N is set of all natural numbers. It's something like this now. This is set A 1, 2, 3 up to where? 50. It is limited. What is set B? Natural number. So I should write an arrow like this. This says you are defining a function from set A to set B. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 50 until after that it also continues. But what is the function is defined as f of x equal to roll number of a student. Now what do you say? A student will have one student will have two roll numbers. Is it possible? Nowhere, right? Got it. Okay. Now can I say that every element of set A is having different images in set B? So first student roll number 1, second student roll number 2, third student roll number 3, 50th student roll number 50. So what you notice here clearly, so you have to write the same statement in the classwork also. Clearly different elements of A, okay, or you can say different students from A got different roll number in B. I repeat, different students from A have different roll number in B, therefore the given function is going to be 1, 1. Now the problem says show that it is 1, 1 but not onto. Why it is not onto? There will be a number called 51 here, but none of the students from set A will be having a roll number 51 or 51, not just 51. After 51 nobody is having a roll number here, correct, right? So it's just enough to say now 51 is not a roll number of any of the student from A, or 51 does not have a pre-image in A, hence it's not going to be onto. Not just 51, you can write on anything from there onwards. When will you say it's onto? If every element from B is having a pre-images here, but it's an infinite set actually. So only till 50 I can associate. After 51, sorry, it's not possible to have any student who is having that register number. Okay, so in day-to-day life also we have something called as relation. In day-to-day life also we have something called as function, but we don't know. Okay, so this is one such beautiful example, okay, to understand the meaning of 1, 1 function and onto function. Okay. Okay students, now let's move to the next second problem. In the second problem they said the function, see, most important thing every time is going to be from which set to which set the function is defined. So here the function is defined from natural numbers to natural numbers. So how is it defined? It is defined as f of x equal to 2x. So what is that they are telling? Show that this function is 1, 1 but not onto. So how to show it is 1, 1 and onto? Okay, for example, it's natural numbers, right? So the first natural number 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. And f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay. And f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. But it's an infinite set, right? It just keep going like this. So how to conclude it's 1, 1? Notice here, different elements, different images. Image of 1 is 2. Image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6. If I write to this in the form of an arrow diagram, this is natural number, this is natural number. A function f is defined from a to b. So 1, 2, 3, it continues. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it continues. So what's the image of 1? 2. Image of 2? 4. Image of 3? 6. Okay, so different elements of domain, we say this first set as domain. Okay, different elements of domain got different images in codomain, hence f is going to be 1, 1. Clear? Now why it is not onto, look at that now. 1 does not have a pre-image, 3 does not have a pre-image, 4, then the next one, 5 does not have a pre-image. But when will you say it becomes onto? If every element of the codomain, this is domain, this is codomain. Okay, if every element of the codomain is having a pre-image in the domain, but here few elements will not be having the pre-image. Students, I just want, okay, this explanation is over for the example, but for onto I just want to tell you, I think I missed it, so let me just define. When you have something called as like this now, first set will be called as domain, second set will be called as codomain. So what happens if you have a function, you will collect all the images, right? You have studied this already in the first year, so I thought I can skip. So what is the range of a function? Collection of all images, right? So in the previous example, what was the range of the function? The range means only the images. Image of 1 is 2, so 2. Image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6, and it continues. So for onto, I will give you one more condition, which is the one which we'll use most number of times. Okay, I've given a condition under the definition of onto, but this is the condition which will be used to solve many number of problems easily. Remember this. If suppose the range of the function is equal to codomain of the function, if both are equal, then we will say the given function is onto. Okay, but what is notice here? 2, 4, 6. What was the codomain? The codomain in the previous problem was, it was defined from natural numbers to natural number. This is the codomain. So this is not equal to the codomain. That's enough. Okay, so the range of the function is not equal to the codomain. Here the codomain, domain both are same, but you have to talk about this set, not this one. Okay, so hence we can say that the given function is not going to be onto. So this is an easiest way of working the problems based on onto function. Fine, students. Now look at problem number 2 and problem number 3. Not much change. In problem number 2, f was defined from natural numbers to natural numbers, f of x equal to 2x. Correct, right? And in the next, problem number 3, f is defined from real numbers to real numbers, f of x equal to 2x. So what we have to show in problem number 3, show that the given function is both 1, 1 and onto. It is both actually, that is what we need to show. Is that clear? So let me tell you the second method. Natural numbers was quite easy, we did it, okay, by giving examples. Now this I want to put actually by using the general way of writing or the conditions. I am going to use the conditions based on 1, 1 and onto. So let me check for 1, 1. If you remember, students, okay, for discussing 1, 1, I wrote this. If f of x1 equal to x2, then f of x1 equal to f of x2. One of the condition, I wrote 2. This was one of the condition. This I am going to start, but in a reverse order. Okay, so let me take it as f of x1 is equal to f of x2. I am writing in the reverse and I will check this. So what is f of x here? 2x. f of x1 means 2x1 and f of x2 will be 2x2. 2 will get eliminated. Then what you will be getting? x1 equal to x2. This is another method of checking the condition on 1, 1, on which we will solve the most number of problems actually. Okay, so if f of x1 equal to f of x2, then I am able to reduce x1 equal to x2, then the given function is going to be 1, 1. Okay, so what we will say here, therefore f is 1, 1. That's 1. Okay, then how to check for onto? Now to check for onto, let me consider, okay, f of x equal to y. So f of x equal to y will gives me what? 2x equal to y. or x equal to y by 2. I assume that the image of y is x. So this is what I got it, x equal to y by 2. Clear? Right. Now what I will do here, this I will apply the given definition on both sides. So let me take f on both sides. So that means what? Quite simple. This x value I am going to replace in the given function. So f of y by 2. If f of x is 2x, what is f of y by 2 will be 2 into y by 2. Simplify. What is it I am going to get? F of x equal to y. See on to, I will tell you briefly once again. You start, it's an assumption f of x equal to y. But after simplifying, if you are getting the same, your beginning and ending should be same. That's what I mean to say. Okay, you start with f of x equal to y. From this every time find x, and this whatever you got it will be substituted in the given function, and if you are able to get back y. Now this was an assumption and we are getting the same. That shows that the given function is going to be onto. Sir, you would be asking, sir, you explained one more thing, sir. What about the range and the codomain? Now, quite simple. Okay, if you are able to tell that also, it's fine. So, after that, you have to write a conclusion. Okay, the conclusion is something like this. This shows that for every element y belongs to the codomain, there exists x belongs to the domain. Okay, this is from the codomain and this is from the domain. There exists x belongs to the domain such that f of x equal to y. If it is onto, this is the statement what you have to write if you are working in general. Students, selecting general method, selecting or giving the solutions by examples, that depends on the problem. Okay, so this problem, previous problem I did both 1 and 1 2 by using the examples, and this one I am using the general method to write on the answer. That depends on the problem, so that should be remembered. Okay, so we have done with problem number 3 also. So in problem number 4, what they said is these are the worked examples. What I am going through are the worked examples actually. So in the fourth one, they said there is a function f from natural numbers to natural numbers, and it is defined as f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1. And apart from that, they said something f of x equal to x minus 1 for x greater than 2. So what we need to check, show that it is onto but not 1 1. We have to show it is not 1 1 but it is onto. Okay, so let us check now why it is not going to be 1 1. Nothing to check actually, it's already been defined. F of 1 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 1. Okay, this shows that different elements, remember 1 and 2 are different elements of domain got, what is this, images, right, got same image. 1 and 2 are different element but the images are same. Now in such case the function therefore f is not 1 1. I hope it's clear now. Okay, but look at that. If I leave this, the remainings are going to be 1 1. F of 3 2, f of 4 3, f of 5 4. From here onward, different element, different images concept is fine. But here in the beginning when I take f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1, this shows that the elements are different but the images will be same. Therefore f is not going to be 1 1. I hope it's clear, students. Now they said that show that it is going to be onto. If you want the condition wise, I will explain both the methods here. The condition method. Okay, so let's consider f of x equal to y, therefore x minus 1 is equal to y, or x equal to y plus 1. Correct, right? Therefore f of x equal to f of y plus 1. So what I am trying to do here, quite simple. If you are unable to understand, it's quite simple, no? We have f of x, correct, right? We have f of x equal to, what is f of x equal to? X minus 1. Now what is the value of x here? The value of x is y plus 1, and here there is minus 1. Cancel it. You getting y? So this is the way to check for onto. You assume f of x equal to y. Assume means you are assuming that y is image of x under the function f. But you should prove this at the end of it. Okay. So assume f of x equal to y. Simplify, find out x. This x will be replaced in the given function. And if you are simplifying, if you are getting back y, hence you can say the given function is going to be onto. Okay. This is condition wise. Now how about working in the examples method? So the second method is, you can notice f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is 1, f of 3, if I use this, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, f of 4 is equal to 3, f of 5 is equal to 4, right? If I am writing the diagram, okay, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is also 1. Two different elements can have the same image. Remember, fine. Okay. Now f of 3 will be 2, f of 4 will be 2, f of 5. So like that, if I keep doing, all the elements of codomain, okay, will be having pre-images here. So range of the function equal to codomain. Therefore f is said to be 1. Fine students. So I hope there is no problem in understanding these concepts. Fine. Okay. So not to worry. Okay. See, one thing I will suggest is before giving a try, don't come to a conclusion. I didn't understand. Okay, give a try once or twice. Okay, just go through the illustrative examples. Okay, just go through the explanation what I have given. Fine. Now after giving few try also, if you are still unable to understand, we are there to help you. Okay, so not to worry. Now let's move to the next problem number 5. So what is problem number 5 is defined as, they said f of x equal to x square, it is defined from real numbers to real number, show that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. It is neither 1 1 nor onto. That is what we have to prove, right? Better to go with an example. Usually it will be a problem or 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay, so how to check for 1 1? What I am thinking is, if for every problem if I keep doing 2 methods, then you will be asking, sir, few problems you will do general procedure, few problems you will do examples. I said it depends on the problem. It depends on how you think. Examples are actually quite easy. Real numbers to real numbers, right? Okay, now look here. F of 1 equal to 1. Correct. F according to this, 1 square will be equal to 1. F of 2 will be equal to 2 square. 2 square will be equal to 4. Correct. But real numbers, negative numbers will also be there. F of minus 1 square equal to 1. Here what is the image of 1 1? Here what is the image of minus 1 1? If I am suppose writing diagram, what happens? 1 and minus 1 are from domain, right? And here it will be 1 2 3 so on. Real numbers actually. Okay. So what is the image of 1 1? What is the image of minus 1 1? What is this shows? 1 and minus 1 are different element, but their images same. So hence it's not going to be a 1 1 function. That's one method. Okay. Sir, no sir, let me practice general procedure also. No problem at all. So let's start. F of x1 equal to f of x2. That means x1 square equal to x2 square. When squares of two numbers are equal, you cannot say the two numbers are equal. Correct, right? This can be written as x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. This is x1 plus x2 multiplied by x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Right? So from this I am going to get x1 plus x2 equal to 0, or x1 minus x2 will be equal to 0. So from this x1 equal to minus x2, or from this x1 equal to x2. Start with f of x1 equal to f of x2 and get x1 equal to x2, but along with this some additional thing is also there. If this is not at all there, it's going to be 1 1. But what does this says? X1 equal to x2 and x1 equal to minus x2. No, that's not possible. One number cannot be equal to two different numbers. Correct, right? Okay. So from this also we can conclude that f is not going to be 1 1. That's one method. I have to explain both methods here. So we have to show the function is not going to be onto. It should not be onto. Okay. Now the best example is going to be if I start with f of x equal to y, then I will land up at onto. I will just show you how. Okay. Then what you will get, x square equal to y or x equal to root y. You will substitute this in the given function. Therefore, f of x equal to root y the whole square. You will get y. Fine. But it's not. They said it's not onto. Let me just show you how. This is plus or minus actually. I should write. Okay. Now, y is not going to be onto. Let me start collecting the images. I will take few numbers to explain. Okay. So, f of 1, 1 square, 1. f of minus 1, minus 1 square, 1. f of 2, 2 square, 4. f of 3, 3 square, 9. Now, if I collect all the images, or if I just write an arrow diagram to understand the meaning, real numbers to real numbers, 1, 2, 3. There are many actually, all the real numbers. I am writing few, that's all, right? So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? So according to this, 1 is image of 1, and the next one is what? 4 is image of 2, and we have a 9 here, so 9 is image of 3, correct, right? Then what is the pre-image of 2? Does not exist. What is the pre-image of 3? Does not exist. What is the pre-image of 5? Does not exist. What's the pre-image of 6? Does not exist. What's happening? The range of the function not equal to codomain. That's what I said. When to consider example, when to do the general explanation, it depends on the problem. It depends on you. You can adopt any of the method, you will get the answer. Is that clear, students? Fine. Let's go to the next. Problem number is 6. Problem number 6, they said f of x equal to x plus 1, x minus 1. This is when x is even, this is when x is odd. Correct, right? What we have to show that this is both 1, 1 and onto. So how to check for 1, 1? But from where to where they have defined it? They have defined from natural numbers to natural numbers. Clearly. Now if I want to check for 1, 1, f of 1, I will take the element from the natural. f of 1, 1 is an odd number. So, ones. There is a mistake. This is odd and this is even, right? So, if it's odd, it should be 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. f of 2, 2 minus 1 because it is an even, so this is 1. And f of 3, 3, it's an odd, right? 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So what you notice here, for every even number, okay, and for every even number there is a different image, and for every odd number there is a different image. Just notice here. So if I am writing the arrow diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what's the image of 1, 2, and what's the image of 2, 3? Image of 3, what's the image of 3 will be? It's an odd number, so it should be 4. Image of 4 will be 3. So like this, what's happening? Different elements of domain have different images in codomain. One statement you have to make. Different elements of domain got different images in codomain. Hence, f is going to be 1, 1. So how to check it is onto? Quite simple. Okay. Whether it's an odd number, see, set of all natural numbers will be divided into odd numbers and even numbers. Right. So for every even numbers you can find out an image. For every odd number also you can find out an image, right? So just give a statement, range of f equal to codomain. If it is show the problem, please try to understand. You can make a statement, right? Clearly the range of the function equal to codomain, hence the given function is going to be onto one statement. Otherwise, okay. Now every element of codomain has at least one pre-image in domain. Hence f is going to be onto. So these are the 5 worked examples based on the topic.